Welcome to How to Create Dynamic Lead Magnets. A lead magnet could be your one opportunity to reach the audience that you need. So stay tuned as I go through some key elements of creating that dynamic lead magnet. Hi, I'm Dr. Victoria Boyd, and I'm here to help you learn how to create dynamic lead magnets. I'm going to take you through a three-step process, and so let's get into that right now. Here we go. How to create a dynamic lead magnet. Bam! I'm going to give you three elements that are really going to take your lead magnet to the next level. First of all, I've been asked so many times, what is print ready? And the reason I'm talking about this is because I've had clients where I've asked them, can you send me your information print ready? Because a part of my job is to load their lead magnets onto their website. But then when they send me the information, it's not print ready. So one of the key things to have a dynamic lead magnet is to have it in a format which is PDF or an image. So it's easy to download, easy to access, easy for it to be set up. So it doesn't take a lot of your time. You're already sharing your expertise and your knowledge, and it shouldn't have to go into creating a dynamic lead magnet. So it's going to have to be in a PDF or image format. And then what you want to know is that if you have someone working for you, by just sending them a list of items, text information. This is not a dynamic lead magnet. This is an individual, or this is a true example of what one of my clients sent me as their educational content lead magnet. As you see, it's just written words. It can't be loaded into a website where someone can download it. I actually had to take all of this content and redo it and put it in the format. Now, that took me a lot of time, but guess what? That is one of the services I provide. Also, it sent me a chart. Unfortunately, the chart is, could I say it, boring. Plus, it has too much content and it's not easy to follow. And a lot of time I judge that by, can I follow it? I consider myself a pretty smart person. And if I can't follow and really truly understand what the chart, how it's trying to flow me through different steps, then I know it needs to be repurposed or redeveloped. And so that is what I've done for my client. So the text they sent me, here's all of the information that was in that text message. You saw line after line previously. Now it's put into a very succinct demographic or infographic, not demographic. Yes, we're going for a demographic, but this is an infographic. But it says phase one, phase two. It clearly maps out and takes the reader through a process using arrows and boxes, different colors, highlights. It's very easy to understand. Plus, it's appealing. Also, taking that same information, because they really went into a lot of detail in the text message, now it's mapped out into a chart where there's definitions and clear answers to what those terms mean. So as you just saw, when you're putting together lead magnet material, these are educational resources. You want to ensure that you are educating your prospects or who you're trying to share this information with. You want to make sure that it looks professional and it represents your brand, that your logo is there, that you are providing each person that downloads it everything they need, plus you are supporting your goals of reaching more prospects. So you want to make sure that it's in a PDF or image format. You want to make it visually professional and represent your brand as a great company to work with. You also want to make sure that it is what we call user-friendly and understandable. It's not too much content on each section or page or phase of the download, but you are giving them what they need and they understand it right away. You're solving that problem for them in clear, simple format. And that's the purpose of a lead magnet, to have a simple solution to a problem that they're looking for. So if you need help creating lead magnets, reach out to Dr. Victoria Boyd. In the description below, you will see a link to scheduling a chat with me. Or you can go visit the website so that you can see how we create lead magnets for you. Because you can take all of these educational resources and put them together into what is called an educational hub. And I have other strategies to take that to the next level also. See you next time in our next video.